and I hope you will like it. We'll cover four main topics. One is what is a tabletop exercise. And you'll be surprised. I did not invent this. This is NIST 800, SP 800-84, Chapter 4. Okay? So this is not my invention. But the better way to describe it is what it is not. And then next is, what documents do we validate? The third would be scenarios. And the fourth would be, how do we evaluate it? So let's move on. What is a cybersecurity type tabletop exercise? Let's focus on the tabletop exercise specific for cybersecurity. It's not an audit.
Journalist.
Ay,
So if somebody comes to you and says,
Meron ka bang card?
let's do a tabletop
Pwede ba kayo
exercise.
ma-interview
Let's
regarding
find
your
out the
association?
effectiveness of your
Pwede
control.
email nyo ako ma'am, mas madali.
Sige,
The
email
better way
ko
to
kayo.
do it is
I-share
to
ko
an
sa...
audit.
Yes, that's
para
true,
mas,
that's true.
Don't
mas
go to a
exact yung
tabletop
mga...
Oo nga, tama.
Buti nakaka-attend ka rin.
Oo nga.
It's not a walkthrough. If somebody comes to you and says,
Maganda yung topic mo.
let's do it multi-purpose. When we're doing the tabletop exercise, it's also the best time for us to onboard a person
Kaya nga eh.
or refresh ourselves in terms of what the plan
Madali
is.
lang po.
It's
Okay.
not.
Ako lang makita.
Saan ka ba nakaupo?
It's
Puntahan ka
also
ba?
not a trend.
Ay, yung palang gamit
In
mo eh.
NIST 800-84, a drill is called a functional exercise. A drill is to make sure that your participants actually know the roles that they are doing
Para mga... ako na.
and can execute.
Kasi ilan ang members mo?
Mga 1,000.
It's also not a test.
Ah, puro online.
It's
Oo.
NIST SP 800-84 has a separate chapter for tests.
Thank you.
The same way that it has a separate chapter for drills. Okay. So you test ATRP. That's why that's my example there. It's also not a full-scale exercise because it's a live fire exercise. It's part of your functional exercise under 800-84. So now you're thinking, sige, okay. Even those who have everyone who thought that the tabletop exercise is actually a drill.